Having a sequence of photos that wraps 360 degrees around an object can be incredibly helpful for product displays and especially photogrammetry. Manually taking these photos can be incredibly time consuming and an awkward process. The Syrp Genie Mini turntable assists with this process by rotating objects for us. It can even send standalone cameras a signal to capture photos automatically. The iPhone shutter control application was developed to bring this automated capture functionality beyond standalone cameras into the iPhone as well. After some initial setup I've described in another video linked below, the iPhone shutter control application can be run on a macOS device. The iPhone shutter control application acts as a manager for two other applications: the Syrp application, which controls the Genie Mini turntable, and the Keypad app, which signals the iPhone to capture photos. Once configured, all you need to do is choose how many photos you want and press Start Scanning. Soon, the turntable and iPhone will begin rotating and capturing photos in sync. The iPhone shutter control download is linked in the video description. A detailed walkthrough for setting up the application may also be found there. I hope the iPhone shutter control application may save you time and improve your experience. Have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.